Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. Of course, it's me. Today we'll be cooking for this vlog and I have a guest, my friend from America.
Hi.
Yes, I'll be teaching my friend how to cook one of the popular dish here in Philippines. It's called sinigang, a Filipino soup or stew that has a sour and savory taste. So let's start. Here guys, I already prepared the ingredients. This is the pork, ladyfinger, okra in Tagalog. Say okra.
Okra.
And eggplant in Tagalog is talong. Talong.
Talong.
String beans in Tagalog is sitaw. Sitaw.
Sitaw.
Sitaw. And this is the cabbage, repolyo. Repolyo.
Repolyo.
And water spinach, kangkong in Tagalog.
Kangkong.
Kangkong. And this is the tomato, kamatis in Tagalog.
Kamatis.
This is the onion, sibuyas.
Sibuyas.
And the most important ingredients or seasoning of sinigang is sinigang mix. So first, we're going to open the stove. And put the pork and the water. Tomato and onion. Let it simmer before adding the seasoning and the other ingredients. So guys, now it's already boiling. So we're going to put our seasoning. Ooh, it's hot. And let's wait again for another couple of minutes. Sorry for the interruption. Our dog is barking. So we forgot to add salt, so let's add salt. A bit. Okay guys, let's add the string beans. And let's cover it. So guys, now let's add the eggplant, okra, talong pala guys, sorry. So guys, now we're going to add the okra. And let's boil again for another couple of minutes before adding the cabbage and water spinach. And now guys, we're adding the cabbage and water spinach. Sorry for that interruption. And then let's wait for another couple of minutes. And this is done. It's done. Okay guys, it's already cooked. Let's taste it. You first. What is it?
Delicious.
Delicious.
Sarap.
Sarap. Yes, that's right. Sarap. Masarap.
Masarap.
And that's it, guys. Bye-bye.